want to explain to me what you've done?
What do you want, Gabby? What do you want? You want money? Here, here. Stop crying. Here, yellow. Okay, happy?
I mean, whatever worked.
Look at his face in it.
I did.
Wow.
Oh.